Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching me from. My name is Eukaria and I am the CEO Black and Shine Organic. So you can actually find us on Instagram, Facebook and on YouTube. I am here to talk about this wonderful oil that you can use to take care of many skin challenges, but there are two in particular that I want to talk about today: knuckles and sunburn. If you are having challenges with your face that any product that you use will give you sunburn, do not hesitate to come and purchase this magic oil. This oil is made by myself and this oil is produced out of seeds, leaf and roots. So this oil is pure natural. If you buy it, you are going to testify to that. So all you need, those areas where you have burns, just keep on applying it on those areas. Then you must not peel your hands in order for you to treat knuckles. Please stop peeling your hands with chemical in order to treat knuckles. This oil is going to help you to remove those knuckles that you are battling for years. You can actually use this oil to treat those knuckles of your hands. Wherever you have the knuckles is not a problem. Just keep applying this oil on the affected area and in no time all will disappear. I'm telling you, I'm giving you 1 week to try this oil. A try will convince you. You can as well follow us on Instagram, like I told you before. If you want to be sure of what I'm talking about, you can follow us on Instagram, YouTube and on Facebook. We are there, always posting our product. So guys, why not patronize this oil? You are not going to regret it. You see it here. This is the oil, small but mighty. The price that we are giving out this oil is 5,000 naira only. If you are into organic cream and you have customers that have been complaining of knuckles or sunburn, all you need to do is get into our inbox and chat us up. We give at wholesale price as well. You can as well buy to rebrand for your business. You can as well choose to sell this oil, and I tell you, you will not regret doing business with me. So what are you waiting for? Get into my inbox. Let's talk business. See you next time, guys. Bye.